Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a handy new WhatsApp web update that gives you more control over your privacy. Specifically, we're going to show you how to manage who can see your last seen status when you're using WhatsApp web on your computer one. If you value your privacy and want to keep your online activity a little more discreet, this video is for you. Here's how to do it. 1. Open WhatsApp web. Start by heading over to WhatsApp web on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. 2. Find the settings icon. Once you're in, look to the left side menu for the gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Click on it. 3. Navigate to privacy. In the settings menu, find and click on Privacy. This section is where you can adjust various privacy settings to your liking. 4. Last seen and online. Next, select Last seen and online. Here, you'll find the options to customize who can see your last seen status and whether you're currently online. 5. Choose My Contacts Accept. To get specific about who can't see your last seen status, choose the My Contacts Accept option. This allows you to select specific contacts from your address book to exclude from seeing when you were last active. 6. Select Contacts. A list of your contacts will appear. Simply check the boxes next to the names of the people you want to hide your last seen status from. Once you've made your selections, confirm your choices. By default, WhatsApp shows your last seen status to all your contacts, which can sometimes lead to unwanted attention or assumptions. This new update puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to fine-tune exactly who gets to see when you were last online. This is particularly useful if you have certain contacts with whom you prefer to maintain a bit more distance, or if you simply value a greater sense of privacy while using WhatsApp on your computer. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully customized who can see your last seen status on WhatsApp web. Remember, managing your privacy is all about finding the settings that make you feel most comfortable and in control of your online experience. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.